Bingo's friends and family. My name is Daniel Crawford. I'm a grandson of Bingo, and today we are making some awesome fried chicken wings with Bingo's barbecue sauce. And stick around with me and I will show you how to make it. Step one, you generally want to do, say you have a lot of wings here. If you have somewhere around this much wings, which generally if you're making wings, it's some sort of party or Super Bowl. So I would do 3 cups of flour. I have a lot of wings here, so we're making it for dinner too. So 3 cups of flour, and then so basically I'll teach you like for proportionate for every cup, like say cayenne pepper. I'm gonna do that in every cup. You want to do 1/4 teaspoon. So 1, 2. And because they're barbecue wings, you want to make them spicier because it's not buffalo sauce. So Lowry salt if you have it. Yeah, all of the spices are you can do whatever you want basically, but this is how I like it. Lowry salt, you basically just eyeball it per se, just, you know, it's salt. So, and then I like using porterhouse seasoning. It's a really good flavor. So I generally do a little bit of that. It's a lot of eyeballing going on here because these are a lot of salts. But then garlic powder, you're gonna do 1/8 teaspoon per cup of flour. So there we go. Chili powder. Chili powder is really good on wings. You'd be surprised, especially with barbecue wings. You're gonna do 1/4 for 3 of them. That's good. You're gonna do a whole teaspoon of pepper in 3 cups of flour. And then, you know, eyeball the salt, just like it's salt, like what do you say? And then paprika. So 1/8 per 3 cups. And then so I'm gonna do 3 of these. There we go. And that is how you make the spicy and flour dip. And now we got all of our spices mixed into the flour, like so. Just mix it with a fork or a whisk, whatever you want, knife. Really doesn't matter. And then we go on to the egg wash. So I'm gonna do 5 eggs, so I can really get it deep, not just skin deep, just submerge the whole chicken. And then, simple as, put like, I would do just a little water in it, not too hard. Then you're gonna mix it. Oh, and then, you know, the usual, just eyeball the salt. And then a little bit of black pepper. I like to do a little cayenne because it gets on the inside under the coat of flour, so it's a little spicy. You can do it to your choice though, so it really doesn't matter. My throat got the cameras. I'm gonna like that. Mix it again. Hello, Bingo's friends and family, back with the 3rd step, and this step is just, you're frying it now. So I use 48 ounce, bro, I see why freaking Marvel Avengers people have such a hard time. I use 48 ounces of canola oil, and I do it on 350, and then you just put it in the egg wash. So you want to get your hands dirty, because really, here's the trick. To make it, you want generally your chicken wings a little flaky. It's not fried chicken, although I do have a really good recipe for that. But you want to take a little bit of egg wash, just sprinkle it in, and then mix it. So it's just, you see how the flour is just spreading apart like that. See, look, it's just all spreading apart through the cracks. So it's not just smooth; it's flaky. So you want to do that, and then see, look, all that spreading apart right there. Probably can't see it, but who knows? Then you want to put chicken wing in here. You want to do that. I'm gonna do a couple more so I can put them in at the same time. Mix them. Make sure I punch them so they can get in every crevices. I do this with my fried chicken mostly, but wing pork too, so the flour gets in every crevice so it's crunchy as it can be. Then shake it off a little. Put it in 350. So we're basically at the halfway point of cooking the wings, like 4 minutes have gone by. It's nice and golden, it's nice and blonde. It's gonna get golden brown in like 4 more minutes. So we're just gonna leave these in, we're gonna leave these be for a little bit more time, and they should turn out perfect. So I cooked these chicken wings for 10 minutes and they are ready to come out. I put them on a plate and then they're a little blonde right now, but that's okay because we're going to put them in the oven on broil. We are on almost the last step now, the 4th step, and we are putting the chicken wings in the bowl and we are going to douse them in bingo sauce. There we go. There's never too much. That's very good. Actually, I need a little more. See, look, that side's not covered right there, and that ain't gonna get covered unless you just pour some on. There we go. Straight on to the 5th step. Put them on a cookie sheet. And then, because bingo sauce is not bingo sauce without a caramelization. So we're gonna put it in the oven on broil. And they are gonna caramelize. And they're gonna be very good. So we just put the wings in for 4 minutes at broil. And we are ready to take them out. As you can see, very nice, sunk in and caramelized. Very good wings. They're sunk into every crevice of it. And we're just going to come take them over here. We do have more wings going because, like I said, they're our dinner. Look at that perfect caramelization. See? It's not coming off when I'm touching it. It's sunk in. Alright, so we're at the final step here, and we are going to try them. Look, as you can see, they caramelize very beautifully in the broiler, or on broil in the oven. And we got the celery on the side. Then I had my mom's homemade ranch dip. Any dip you like. Store-bought ranch, packaged ranch, it really doesn't matter. Any dip you would like, you can do it in, and now I'm going to try it. Super crunchy, super flavorful. Even though it caramelized, the skin is still really crunchy. You would expect it to get soft, but it really didn't. And that is because of my trick of punching it and making it go into crevices, and that's how the flour stays on it. It is really good. And if you want, actually, as I'm tasting this, I recommend, honestly, putting a little more on top. Because when it caramelizes, the flavor kind of sinks in and goes away. Well, the flavor is still pungently there, but a little more on top would do the trick. So you still get that good caramelization, but you still have that's it. Wow.